Autumn is the perfect time to give the garden a refresh, and whether that is planting new plants and playing in the garden, but there is also another important task that we can do right now, and that is some good cleaning. After months of use, your outdoor surfaces can look a little tired looking. Whether it's your garden path, pots, outdoor furniture, or even your bike, now is the perfect time to bring everything back to life. For jobs like these, the easiest way to tackle them is with a reliable washer, and that's where the STIHL RCA 20 cordless pressure washer comes in, your perfect companion for cleaning the garden and outdoor spaces. One of the things I really like about this tool is how easy it makes cleaning, and it's all thanks to this nozzle here. It's a 4-in-1, so you can tackle multiple tasks at once, and it's even great for tackling dirty pots, just like this one. With just a twist, you can go from the rotary nozzle to the fan jet, to the pourer, and to the pencil. This gives you quick adjustments depending on what you're cleaning. So whether it's gently rinsing off delicate garden furniture or blasting tough grime off pavers. And what's even better is extremely lightweight and compact. And a pressure washer that you can easily carry in one hand is great, but with a portable bag, it means that you can go anywhere. So if you've been off riding your bike or adventuring, you can clean on the go. If you're already using tools from the STIHL AS battery system, this washer's battery will seamlessly integrate. You can use the same battery that powers your other STIHL tools, so there is no need to keep track of multiple battery charges. With a variety of accessories to choose from, you can tailor your cleaning to suit any task. Whether you need the extension hose or a special detergent, it's easy to get the job done right. And when you're done, don't forget to give your tool a really good clean, because regular maintenance means it stays in top form and everything packs away neatly in its bag. So to discover more great garden tools, head to your local STIHL dealership or head on over to their website.